Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses along with the description below. So go get involved with that. There's loads of links down below, loads of free money and opportunities on the table, so go sign up to below to everything and get involved down there. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well, and we can get you hooked up with that. As I've said in my previous videos, it's been allowing me to average into the markets all over the place for the past few years during this bear market consolidation. And you can see that Polygon has basically been absolutely smashed down recently. Very considerable downtrend. You can see we've had these big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. This last one being quite a capitulation, to be honest. Pretty much down to retest the bear market lows down here towards that 30 to 35 cent area at the lows here. Obviously recently with the altcoin market having some joyous relief off the lows, you can see this resistance that we've stuck under finally being broken, although we have been getting some considerable resistance at this previous level 0.23 Fibonacci, also the 100 moving average, just this previous area of structure overall. And you can see what I said in my previous videos, we have actually closed above this area here now of this previous level of resistance as well, which I think is a really good sign for potentially coming back into this area, which is what I said in previous videos, back testing into this area here at around 45 cents, potentially starting to form this inverse head and shoulders pattern like this, where we basically come back down now into this area, back test, and then continue, get the break and the retest, and then reverse the trend. As you can see, we've already broken out of this big bearish resistance that we've had ever since we were up at 125, up at the 618 Fibonacci. So overall, I would say there is a very good chance, in my opinion, that we do see something like this, where we come down into this area here for Polygon, back test, reverse, breakout, back test, and then start making our way up through our Fibonacci levels again for the bull market. You can see on the weekly time frame, Polygon is basically just consolidating in a range, but it has broken out of this level of resistance now. Nice big weekly candle, although we are stuck under our 0.23 still, as you can see. And right now we do need to see some work being done for Polygon, but I do think we could be coming up back up towards that $1 area, which is where our bear market resistance is currently sat at as well. I do think we could easily see this big area here being closed into by Polygon over the next few months as altcoins continue to, in my opinion, rally and recover from the crazy downtrend that we have been seeing. Right now Polygon is just chilling and waiting for that time to happen. Like and subscribe for more.